Have a paper check you want to deposit into your Fidelity account without visiting a bank? If you haven't tried mobile check deposit, you're missing a huge convenience. Today, we're depositing a check using the Fidelity mobile app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Fidelity's mobile deposit works just like a bank's app. You take pictures of your check, and the funds are deposited into your account. Step 1. Find the deposit feature. Open the Fidelity mobile app and log in. Tap the menu and look for Deposit Checks or Mobile Check Deposit. Select the Fidelity account where you want the money to go. Step 2. Photograph and submit. Endorse the check by signing the back and writing, "For Fidelity mobile deposit only." Follow the app's instructions to take clear photos of the front and back of the check. Submit the deposit, and you'll get a confirmation. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: hold on to the physical check for 2 weeks after deposit. While funds may be available quickly, you should keep the original check in a safe place for about 2 weeks before destroying it, in case there are any issues with the deposit. So, just like that, you can fund your account from anywhere. Mobile check deposit goes a long way in making your financial life more convenient. Now I'm curious, what's the largest check you've ever deposited via mobile app? Were there any hold periods? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.